This next video blog, training blog, focuses on how to export a Q&A executive report into Excel, Microsoft Excel. It is being recorded on the back porch of a hotel room in tropical Mexico, and in the background there's a mower running, and occasionally a rain shower comes through and there's birds singing. And it's such a pleasant break from January Maryland to be in the tropics here. I didn't have the heart to move indoors where it's quiet, so I hope you're patient with it and enjoy and learn something from this video. In our last video, we prepared as a major class project this report, and this is just a short little video to show you how to export it to Excel. And right up here we have the report made, but of course always the problem is how to get it distributed. And the typical thing, of course, is to print it and hand it out, but that is such a pain in the neck. And so we have some ways that we can get it out. We can make it as a PDF. We could also print it to Microsoft Office, and have it exported to Microsoft Office, and that's what we're learning today. The most undocumented thing in all of Q&A is right here in front of us right here, because we're presented with this big blanked out screen, and it took me about 3 hours when I was teaching myself Q&A to learn. I guess it really shouldn't have taken so long, because there's only one thing that can be done on the screen. Everything else is grayed out. Is that little plus sign right there. And what this is requiring us to do is to name the file, the Microsoft Excel file that we want this thing exported to. And so here is our chance to name it, and we could at this point we'll name this file export of Excel demo. Okay, and we save it, and this is being saved as an XLSX file, an Excel file, and we go OK. Now in this functionality you can export it as a Word document, or an Excel worksheet. I will tell you right now, I have never investigated exporting it as a Word document. I may someday, but so the first thing we want to do is to not have the anything going on with Word. I will also mention that as a routine thing, the things that you need to do on these screens are automatic without a lot of thought. That is, when I'm using this in real life, I just do the things I'm about to show you without any thought or consideration. They're a habit with me. Of course, you could do what you want, but this I do not like outputting the header and the footer. Okay, in Excel, to me, they're not helpful, but you want them, you can have them. And right here under Options, I come over here and I will have these selected, and you will see what these do in a few minutes. So just for at least experimental purposes right now, leave them. And I never messed with any of these too much, except for I do want to leave Excel open. The zero suppress would be another interesting functionality. So as a matter of course, I check these and I check that under Options. Okay, and I don't mess with anything on that page at all. I suppose the landscape and portrait options may be valuable when you go into print your document. But here are the one last thing to be done and looked at is the option here of choosing what is exported. Okay, and you can actually say, I don't want to export the summary sheet here, but just the departmental sheets going out. This sheet, remember, was for the whole organization at that level. So let's I think we're all set, ready for this thing to be exported. And so we go OK. Now I at this point need some exporting to Microsoft Office jokes, because this takes a few minutes and will give us a positive result. There we go, and that's the sheet. This is the exported sheet. You can see that it has given us this tree. It's pretty cool, and you could click one of these and you'll see the report for that department. Okay, this is the first tab in the entire document. It's called the tree. It's on the first tab, and it takes you to every one. And so that was then available now to be sending this report to your department heads, and the principle behind this is that they all see everyone else's budget and their actual performance. If you object to that, then you're going to have to break these apart and send them one tab at a time, break it into different tabs, or either export them each tab individually or break it apart. I happen to like sending them to the department head so they could see, sort of bring a little social pressure onto everyone. So I hope you've enjoyed this video.